everybody. Today you are going to be working on the Chapter 2 review/test. So this is a lot of the material that you learned in Chapter 2. This video is going to be short and quick because you're not actually learning anything new. You're actually just going to be circling the problems that you're going to be working on, and then I've created another video to show you how to go through and submit your answers, okay? So, the Chapter 2 test, what you're going to do is you're going to get pages 143 through 148 out. If you don't have those, go grab them along with a pencil, okay? You will be working on this paper. I want you to work on the paper first and then go and transfer your answers into the Google form, okay? And there's another video that shows you exactly how to do that. Okay, so on page 143, what you're going to do is you're just going to follow along and circle the ones that I am telling you to do, okay? So on page 143, you are going to be working on number 2. That includes all parts of number 2. So you're going to be doing 2A, 2B, 2C, and 2D, okay? And I'm going to read this question to you. So it says, for 2A through 2D, select true or false to indicate whether the quotient is correct. So you're going to have to go through and check each of these division problems to see if the answer is correct, okay? If it is correct, you'll circle, fill in the bubble for true. If it's not, you'll fill in the circle for false, okay? So number 2, then you're going to go to page number 144. And you are going to be working on number 4, okay? Number 4, you're only actually going to do one part to this problem. So it says, Isaiah wrote this problem in his notebook. Using the vocabulary boxes, these boxes here, label the parts of the division problem. Then, using the vocabulary, explain how Isaiah can check whether his quotient is correct. That's the part you're not going to do, so you can go ahead and cross that out, okay? So you're going to take these 3 words, quotient, divisor, and dividend, and you're going to put them in these boxes. So I've labeled them on the Google form as box number 1, box number 2, and box number 3. Okay? So when you fill that in, that should be much easier for you to do. Okay, the next one you're going to do is number 5. So that's this one right here, right below it. Number 5 says, Tammy says the quotient of 793 divided by 6 is 132 remainder 1. Okay, then it says to use multiplication to show if Tammy's answer is correct. You can do that, but what I would like you to do is just tell me if that is the right answer for that division problem. Okay, and then you're just going to click yes or no on the paper or on the Google form, okay? You are also going to be working on number 6. So if we scroll down here a little bit, you're going to be working on number 6. Jeffrey wants to save the same amount of money each week to buy a new bike. He needs $252. If he wants the bike in 14 weeks, how much money should Jeffrey save each week? Okay, so you'll be figuring that out. You're also going to do number 7. Dana is making a seating chart for an awards banquet. There are 184 people coming to the banquet. If 8 people can be seated at each table, how many tables will be needed for the awards banquet? Okay, so you're going to solve number 7. Then you're going to actually go to page number 145, and you are going to be doing number 9. Okay, that's all parts of number 9. So you're going to do 9A, 9B, and 9C. And it says for 9A through 9C, choose yes or no to indicate whether the statement is correct. So you're going to be solving these division problems to see if these answers that they give you are correct. If it is correct, you'll fill in the circle for yes. If it is not correct, you'll fill in the circle for no. Okay, so number 9. Then you're going to go to page 146, and you are going to be doing number 11. This is just the division problem. Okay, number 11. Then you're going to go to number 18, which is on page number 148. So it's the very last page. Okay, so you're skipping all the way to number 18. I'm going to read this for you. Paula has a dog that weighs 3 times as much as Carla's dog. The total weight of the dogs is 48 pounds. How much does Paula's dog weigh? Draw a diagram to find the weight of Paula's dog. So that was the lesson where we drew the squares and we decided based upon the information that they give us how much one specific piece of the problem is, okay? And number 18 is you're just going to be filling in an answer for your Google form that you're going to be filling out, okay? So those are the problems that you are working on pages 143 through 148. If you have any questions about what you're working on, please reach out to me. Make sure you fill in your Google form with your responses, okay? Do your work on the paper, go to Google form and fill out your responses. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.